If your PC feels slower than it should, the problem might not be your SSD or hard drive. It could be your SATA cable. In this video, I'll show you the best SATA cables that deliver faster data transfer, stable connections, and long-lasting durability. Whether you're upgrading your storage, building a new PC, or fixing random drive disconnects, these cables can make a real difference. I've placed all the best product links in the description below, so you can quickly check prices and choose the right SATA cable for your setup. Let's jump right in. Product 5. Benfei SATA Cable 3 Pack 6 GB 18-inch. What if your storage suddenly moved twice as fast? Meet Benfei SATA 3. Tiny cable, massive speed boost. 3 neat 18-inch cables for multitasking upgrades and tidy routing. 6 Gbps transfer. Double the speed of SATA 2. Flat, low-profile design slips into tight cases without fuss. Metal locking latches secure every connection. No accidental disconnects. Ideal for PC upgraders, system builders, and IT technicians. Backwards compatible with SATA I and I2. Plug instantly. Remember, cable transfers data only, power supplied separately. Reinforced strain relief keeps connectors intact during builds and repairs. 3-pack convenience, spare cables for installations, testing, and backups. 18 months warranty plus lifetime-friendly customer service included. Perfect for HDDs, SSDs, optical drives, NAS assemblies, OEM kits. Quick swap, tidy routing, dependable transfers, productivity unlocked. Grab Benfei SATA 3 3-pack now. Upgrade storage today. Check the product link in the description to see current pricing and availability and upgrade your setup today. Product 4. Cable Matters 3-pack 18 in SATA 3. 6 Gbps cable. Upgrade your internal connections for faster, reliable PC performance today. Building a gaming PC or maintaining server racks? Choose reliability cable. Matters 3-pack SATA 3 cables deliver up to 6 Gbps backward compatible with SATA I, the 2 and 3 for broad device support. Works seamlessly with SSDs, HDDs, optical drives, and RAID arrays. Low-profile flat ribbon design fits, tight cases, improves airflow efficiently. Gold-plated contacts and metal locking latches ensure secure, low-interference connections. Flexible jacket allows easy routing behind motherboards and drive bays. 3 cables plus reusable Velcro ties keep builds tidy and organized. Perfect for SSD cloning, fast backups, RAID setups, and upgrades. PC builders, gamers, and IT pros get professional-grade cable reliability. Less cable clutter, better airflow, faster load times, and stability. Stainless steel latches resist wear. Gold contacts maintain signal integrity. Tool-free, plug-and-play connectors make upgrades fast and painless. Grab the Cable Matters. Check the product link in the description to get yours today and upgrade your system with confidence. Product 3. Cable Creation 2-pack 8 in SATA 3. 6 Gbps cable. Tired of bulky cables blocking your cramped PC builds? Messy routing, poor airflow, and loose drive connections. Meet Cable Creation SATA 3 Red 2-pack for SSDs and HDDs. SATA 3 supports fast 6 Gbps transfers, no compromises. Works with older SATA I and HU drives seamlessly. 1 right angle and 1 straight metal latch connector included. Right angle design simplifies routing in tight drive bays. Locking latches on both ends prevent accidental disconnects. Includes 2 8-inch cables. Perfect for quick upgrades. Durable shielding, nickel-plated contacts, backed by 24-month replacement. Before, tangled cables, blocked airflow, frustrated PC builders. After, clean routing, improved airflow, secure high-speed connections. Perfect for PC builders, IT technicians, and DIY upgraders. Slim flat cable fits tight spots. Installs in seconds. Grab Cable Creation SATA 2-pack now. Tidy, fast reliability. Check the product link in the description to see current pricing and details. Product 2. Cable Creation SATA ISO Power Cable. You don't need extra PSU cables to add drives. Common claim, missing connectors, forces expensive PSU upgrades. I'm an IT technician and PC hardware specialist. Many pre-built systems lack spare SATA power connections that limits adding HDDs, SSDs, optical drives. or Kitawari cards use cable creation. SATA pin power splitter, 2-pack solution. It converts one PSU connection into two reliable SATA outputs. 90-degree down angle, connector improves, cable routing in tight spaces. Snug, easy grip connectors ensure secure plug and unplugging. Plug-and-play design needs no drivers, no fuss whatsoever. I powered 2 drives from one connector without issues. Cable held firm and improved airflow with cleaner cable routing. Each purchase includes 2 6-inch splitters and support. Cable creation provides 24-month replacement and anytime technical support. If you build or upgrade, try this simple solution. Check the product link in the description for full specs, compatibility details, and the best price. Product 1. Cable Matters, 3-pack 18 in 90-degree. SATA A3. Cable unboxing time. 3 slim black SATA cables. Excitement builds. Cable Matters 3-pack 90-degree SATA 3 18-inch high speed. Supports SATA A3 6 Gbps for blazing fast SSD performance. Right angle L connector fits tight cases. Ideal for compact builds. Stainless steel locking latch keeps connections secure during movement. Low profile, flexible jacket improves airflow and cable routing. Includes 3 reusable Velcro ties for tidy cable management. Cables feel sturdy. Connectors snap with reassuring click. Flat profile routes cleanly behind drives and motherboards. 18-inch length balances reach without excess slack inside PCs. Maximizes SSD HDD speeds, perfect for OS boots, game loads. Backward compatible with SATA I and SATA 2 devices. 3-pack gives great value for builders, spares, or upgrades. If you build PCs or fix systems, grab these. Link below, buy the pack, tidy your build today. Check the product link in the description to see current pricing and details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more PC upgrade tips.